Welcome to another CalRTA short tutorial. My name is Sue Breyer, and in this video I'll be showing you some of the ins and outs of navigating the CalRTA state website. So let's begin. The CalRTA website can be accessed by typing calrta.org in your computer's address bar. You will then be taken to what we call the CalRTA home page, a web page designed to reach members of the public who may be searching for information pertinent to California educators, specifically retired educators. The resources on the home page define our organization, provide membership information, and offer a number of helpful resources. In the next few slides, I'll discuss the components of this home page, starting at the top and working my way down. The upper section of the home page includes a gold login button and a series of 4 icons in the upper right-hand corner, a blue menu bar, and a small search tool. Let's begin with the 4 icons. Each of these icons is a live link that will take you to a new page with additional CalRTA resources. Click the Facebook icon to access the State CalRTA Facebook page. If you want to access CalRTA's Twitter posts, you can click the light blue Twitter icon. To access the many CalRTA recorded webinars, videos, and tutorials, click the YouTube icon. And finally, to view uploaded photos from the past state conventions and advocacy days, click the blue and pink Flickr icon. The blue menu bar includes 7 active links plus a search tool. When any of these white links is clicked on, you're shown an additional menu or taken to a new page. We are already on the home page, number 1, and we'll be going to the members page later in the presentation. So I'll start right now with number 3, who we are. As you can see in this slide, when that heading is clicked, a drop-down menu appears with additional information about CalRTA, including its history, its issues, mission statement, current CalRTA state and area leaders, scholarship information, office staff, and the organization's support for public education. Clicking on any of these titles will take you to a new page. To return to the home page, simply click the word Home on the left of the blue menu bar. The next category on the blue menu bar, What We Do for You, helps site visitors understand what CalRTA does as an organization. When this heading is clicked on, you can find out more information on CalRTA's many accomplishments, its efforts to repeal WEP-GPO, current state and federal bills, member benefits, retirement tips, teacher grants, and its many pre-retirement events. If you're looking for information about legislation, general resources for retirees and seniors, or volunteer opportunities, click on Seeking Information. From the drop-down box, if you click on Legislation, you'll see a pop-out box with additional links associated with legislation, political action, and advocacy. The CalSTRS CalPERS link also opens up an additional menu, providing more information on each of their programs. The remaining links on the initial drop-down menu include a resource library with dozens of website and document links, a teacher's tool newsletter, and volunteer and employment opportunities. If you're looking for a particular CalRTA division that's near you, or maybe you're moving and want to find a CalRTA division near your new home, click on CalRTA Near You on the right of the blue menu bar. Once you click on the heading, you'll be taken to a page that looks like this. To locate a CalRTA division, you can type in the name of a city or a zip code in the search bar, or you can click on the area number on the map on the right to see all divisions in that area of the state. The last item on the blue menu is the search tool, which looks like a small magnifying glass. When clicked on, a yellow drop-down box will appear. Type in 1 or 2 keywords related to the topic or item you wish to search for, then click the gold Go button, and a page will appear with any results that match your search. The topics in the gray bar are active links. Click on the gray bar to access your desired resource. Now let's move to the middle of the CalRTA homepage, where you'll find a series of 12 boxes. On this slide, I'll address the first 6. Clicking on the Join Us Renew box, you'll be taken to an online membership application or renewal form. If you click on the Member Resource Center, you'll first be asked to log in to your account, and then you'll be taken to the Members page, which I'll discuss just a little bit later. To view a few short testimonials on why members joined CalRTA, click on the Why I Belong video box. To find resources or read about the many advocacy efforts on behalf of CalRTA, click on the Advocacy Action page. Click on the CalSTRS box to access a number of important CalSTRS documents and meeting summaries. And the Video Library box is just another way to access the many CalRTA videos located on their YouTube page. The remaining 6 boxes on the home page take you to a petition to repeal the unfair Social Security penalties, information about the CalRTA State Teacher Grant Program, a resource library containing over 50 resources for seniors and retirees, more information and resources on the fight to repeal the WEP GPO, a page explaining the what and why of our educational foundation, and a page explaining CalRTA's political action policies. And finally, on the right side of the home page, you'll see 2 blue boxes with a number of items listed. Clicking on many of these active links will take you to resources that I've already mentioned, but 3 of them have not yet been addressed. Click on the Refer a Friend to submit the name of a friend who might be interested in joining CalRTA. You can receive periodic important email notices by clicking on Get Email Updates. And you can view future convention dates and scheduled board meetings by clicking on the calendar. Down at the bottom of the page, you see active links that'll take you to the websites for AARP, NRTA, or the National Retired Teachers Association, and CalSTRS, our state teacher retirement system. I mentioned earlier that the CalRTA homepage is a public website, and nearly all resources on the homepage can be accessed by the general public. But there's also a members page available only to members of CalRTA. To access the members page, you can click the gold login button in the upper right-hand corner of the CalRTA homepage, click the Membership Resources Center box, or click the word Members on the blue menu bar at the top of the page or on the right side of the page. They will then take you to the Members Login box. To log in, enter your CalRTA member ID number in the top box and your last name, all lowercase letters, in the lower box. Then click the gold login button. Once you log in, you'll be taken to the members homepage, which looks quite similar to the CalRTA homepage. The blue menu bar will remain at the top, as will the 2 blue menu boxes on the right-hand side. You'll see a set of 12 boxes in the middle of the page. Most of these are different from the ones on the CalRTA homepage, and you'll find a blue menu on the left with additional links. Let's take a look at the first set of 6 boxes. Clicking on My CalRTA will allow you to change any personal information, such as name, address, email, or other contact information. You can also file an expense claim form on this page. Divisions that are working hard to recruit new members can find a number of excellent resources on the Recruitment Tools page. You can search for state, area, or division leaders by accessing the Leadership Directory and using the search feature. Clicking on Technology How-To Tools will lead you to a number of step-by-step how-to instructions for a variety of tech-related topics such as Zoom and social media. The Virtual Events and Tutorials box provides you with a list of upcoming virtual events and webinars and includes recordings of previous presentations. To access PR tools and publications for members and current teachers, click on Publications. The remaining 6 boxes include 4 that are also found on the CalRTA homepage: Advocacy Action, PAC, Educational Foundation, and Resource Library. Clicking on the Convention and Delegate Assembly box will take you to information and resources for past or upcoming conventions. The Promotional Items box takes you to a page where you can order a variety of CalRTA promotional items, such as water bottles, pens, magnets, and tote bags. We'll finish up this tutorial by looking at the left blue menu. Clicking on any of these links on the blue menu opens up a new page with a series of categories in blue and gold, and resources, or active pages, in light gray. Click on any of the gray boxes to access more information. Clicking on Division Resources will take members to a page with 25 different active pages covering a variety of topics from community outreach to newsletter production to administrative support. This is the go-to page for CalRTA divisions and contains many of the most requested resources. The next item on the menu is Recruitment Tools, a tremendous resource for divisions that are striving to increase membership. This can also be accessed from one of the 12 boxes on the Members page. The Publications and PR link, also accessed from one of the 12 boxes, allows members to access a number of CalRTA publications, including the Contact Magazine, the Connection e-newsletter, the Division Resources newsletter, and the Teacher Tools e-newsletter. Clicking on the Boards and Committees link will provide you access to information about the many CalRTA boards and committees, including the Board of Directors, Program Committees, Operational Committees, and Ad hoc Committees. To locate copies of the CalRTA bylaws, policies, and procedures and standing rules, among other resources, click on the Administrative Documents link. If you'd like information about the Ruth DePreta Award, the Martin P. Matheson Award, and Ed Ely Communications Award, or the Friends of CalRTA Award, click on the Awards and Recognition link. And finally, if you'd like to brush up on some recent research pertaining to such topics as public pensions or retirement security, click on the Research link at the bottom of the menu. And just one tip before we go. Navigating the CalRTA website can sometimes be confusing, and you can even get lost moving from page to page. Like Hansel and Gretel, who left crumbs to find their way back home, you can always look for the word home if you get lost. Clicking the home link will take you right back to the CalRTA homepage. Thank you again for joining me for today's tutorial. I hope to see you again soon.